If your graphic is having straight lines, logo close to a recess, let's put a logo closer to a recess. And you don't want to stretch the logo, or you don't want to lose the shape of the pattern, you can use alternative technique. Let me take it a little bit more to the left. You can install the graphic from the area inside the recesses. You have to come to the deepest part of the recess without stretching the vinyl. Area which is flat will be really easy to cover. You need to use the small shots of heat. Try not to stretch it. Left hand is holding it only in the air, it doesn't pull. Past the recess, take vinyl up, it has to be in the air, use a little bit of heat, but don't pull the vinyl. Wait a couple of seconds until it cools down. When it's getting again stiff, try to delicate, place it on a proper position. Seconds, cools down.